We're talking coats and trench coats, and I've just got some beautiful fabrics, and these actually will do much more than just coats and trench coats. This first is a denim, and it's a black on black. This is imported. It's one-way stretch woven. It's 100% cotton. It is a beautiful piece of denim. It's just gorgeous. A pair of jeans would just be perfect. Really almost anything. It's beautiful. I wish you all could feel these fabrics. This is 100% cotton. I put this in because it's a black and a brown. We've got black denim and brown denim that goes with it. Two sides of this are beautiful. It'd be absolutely gorgeous for a coat or a cape. Just stunning. The fabrics are just stunning. This is also a denim. This is a dark brown. It is not 100% cotton. It's got a little bit of lycra in it. It is a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction, but it is probably 99% cotton. When I burned it, there was no residue at all, but I literally can see it, so there has to be something in there. But anyway, again, beautiful brown. And you know, this is so hard to find this brown. This next piece is 100% cashmere, and it is a black brown. This is a Japanese designer. I'm not allowed to tell you who this is, but it's just cashmere. It's beautiful. It's light. It's gorgeous. It's lovely. Both sides are usable. A cape, a coat. You know, it's what cashmere is, why it's so expensive. It's just absolutely stunning. This is a cotton piece. It is got a little bit of poly in it, but mostly cotton. You can see it's beautiful for coating a jacket. A trench would be incredible out of it. Both sides are usable, so you could really do an unlined jacket, or you know, no facings, no linings. So that's beautiful. Most of these fabrics, you know, these, not the denims, but these others are like that. This last one is a cashmere. It is a green. It's beautiful. It's like a forest green. It is 100% cashmere. Lovely piece of fabric. It's more of a coating. It's a 4 ounce. Beautiful. Again, beautiful. The denims are on for $19.99 for 2 days only. Then the rest are priced appropriately, but they are all lovely, and I know you will have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.